In this video, I'll show you how to reduce ads in the Vixid AI app. A lot of users are complaining that this app shows too many ads, and yes, that's true, because it's a free app. But you can reduce most of these ads with a simple setting. First, open your phone settings. Now go to Network and Internet, and here tap on Private DNS. Select the option called Private DNS Provider Hostname. Now type this, dns.adguard.com. After entering it, tap Save. That's it. Now open the Vixid AI app again, and you'll notice that many ads are reduced. Keep in mind, this will not remove all ads, especially video or reward ads, but it will definitely reduce a lot of them. So this is a simple and working method you can try right now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.